Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you're all well. Alhamdulillah. After coming back from our deployment from Syria and Lebanon, we are in an area called Samloti in Pakistan, Rawalpindi, about 3.5 hours away from there. And here, inshallah, we'll be visiting some self-sustainable projects and also street iftars that we're going to be doing, inshallah. So we'll catch you on the other end as the day progresses, inshallah, bismillah. We are here in Azad Kashmir, Palandri, and alhamdulillah we've come to visit some of the new beneficiaries that have been given these stalls. There's a total of 10 stalls. So I've been just generally having a discussion with the beneficiaries, and their starting time is after suhoor. They pray their fajr and they come and open their stalls, and they work until the maghrib time, alhamdulillah. So because it's a new concept, and this sort of concept hasn't been here, so it's going to take a while for them to establish themselves. But mashallah, they seem to be doing quite well as a starting point of first 2 weeks. So inshallah, as they dwell more and more into this on a day-to-day basis, we'll find that inshallah things will start improving for them. Alhamdulillah, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Mashallah, we're visiting one of our new openings for this tuck shop. And it's going to be a handover to one of the beneficiaries, inshallah. Muhammad Wajid, mashallah, is the new beneficiary for this tuck shop. And today is the official opening. So bismillah, mashallah, mabruk. Mabruk, mashallah. This is a handover for this man, and this is his new project, his new livelihood projects. And we ask Allah Azza wa Jal to bless the shop and bless his rizq, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
So we've just arrived here, we're in Samloti, and we were passing by. This is one of the livelihood projects that we set up like 2 to 3 years ago. So we thought, let's stop. What we always try and do is when we're in the area, just catch up with their beneficiaries, see how they're getting on, if we have any questions from our side. So the guys are just checking his income for each day just to see if it adds up with the figures that are submitted to us. So he has a book, they've been given bookkeeping training as well. So we're just having a quick chat with him just to see if all the figures tally up. So we're just visiting another one of our beneficiaries. This is Brother Farhan. You've probably seen him before. We issued him with a hot food cart maybe 1 year, 2 years ago. So today, as it's Ramadan, we have iftari packs. We have an iftar planned for later on where we'll be distributing hot meal packs. So what we've done is, just to benefit Farhan, we've asked him to make the food. So we'll purchase the food from him and we'll distribute it here on the road at iftar time, inshallah. So if you join us later on, we'll come back and we'll start distributing the food.
So we've distributed the items for the livelihood projects, and what we've given is 10 machines to sisters who are qualified and trained to use the machine so they can take on work to sew men's and women's garments. We've also given out 5 kits of electrical products for electricians, and within those products was a drill, an SDS drill, an angle grinder, electrical tools, digital meters, helmets, safety boots, and together with a few other things to equip them with their profession, inshallah. And also we had 2 mobile carts to give out, one which is a tea mobile cart and the other is a fast food cart, inshallah. So all of the beneficiaries that have been taking these, inshallah, will now benefit from sustaining these projects and inshallah making a livelihood scheme for themselves, inshallah. So we make dua that inshallah that all this benefits them and they're enabled to feed themselves and their families, to support their own families, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
You join us here in Southern Norty. It's 4:20. We're a couple of hours away from iftar, and it's a nice iftar we're doing today, alhamdulillah. This is actually one of our beneficiaries who started with us about coming up to 18 months ago now, and mashallah, he's been a revelation. He's really done well. He specialises in biryani, so as you can see, today's iftar is biryani. He's cooked all of this. And inshallah, we're going to try and distribute to around 500 people. So a lot of work to do before then, inshallah.